Okay, guys, I'm gonna try not to cry because I just got off the phone with a client and she just signed up. She just signed up. Scott, hi. Remember that call that I had with a client today? She signed up. It's a $2,500 coaching session. Well, it's a package for relationship because I'm on this ladies directory. And yeah, so there was no pushback. I just have to create the agreement. I mean, I have the agreement, but I don't know because I fucking can't even talk right now. Like I'm flabbergasted. It's just like okay. Thank you so much for all the support. I can't believe it. Like, I know she can still pull out because she didn't sign the agreement, so I need to get on DocuSign ASAP. But she signed. Wow, it's amazing. Thank you. Thank you. You're amazing. I could give you a big hug and kiss. Like, thank you, Scott. Oh my God. If I did it once, I'm pretty sure I can do it again. So, wow. Wow. Wow, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. Trust me. If I can do it, you can do it. Because right now, my mindset is like, I have so much going on in my personal life, and Scott knows about it, all about it. And yet I was able to do that. So awesome. Thank you. I'm going to sign out now, but I need to like sit down. I'm shaking. Anyway, bye.